Hi, good morning, or good afternoon. Thank you again for visiting my shop, my Etsy shop. Um, and in particular, this making a 3D letters for decorations, room decorations, party decorations. So this is how um, you design it on Design Space. After you uploaded each file, because each file would be for each letter, you would need to select it and put it in your canvas. The first step would be resizing it because this each part, meaning each part, like this part would have a group for writing and a group for scoring and a element for cutting. At the end of this, after we select them and select of which we would need to cut it or score it, then we'll attach it later. Cool. But for now, we would need to resize it. So the first step is unhiding it for um, each part. So then once you have unhide it, you'll be left with this plain letters. So select all, and then on here, because I wanted it 9 inches tall, so that's a perfect size for attaching it on your um, or that's a perfect size for this 3D letters. I haven't made anything larger than that, but yeah, it's a work in progress. But once you have selected it, the next step would be unhiding it and then selecting each group for you to write. Then the next group would be this one. So there's 4 score lines because this one would work for Cricut Explorer and um, Cricut Maker. So after selecting it, you hit score for that part. Then we're moving on to the next group. The next group would be this one. Okay. Next is this one, right? Your pen. Then the next group would be score. Then we move on to the next one. Part. Pen. Part, this part, this part. Will be score. So after you have completed that step, we would be ungrouping them all. Ungrouping it, then selecting each part, because this one, so dark color, it will be at the back part of your 3D letters. All the right or all the drawings would be like an inside part of it. So select each, then attach, select, attach, select, attach, select, attach. So yeah, that completes our first letter. Then me personally, I just want to group it so that just in case I don't go having to mis-sizing them. So yeah, then if you make it, click here. So this means like one part is we didn't attach. So cancel. So that's A2. Group. Like this one, I believe we miss attaching. After done that, because this one you can just unhide it. That is just a part where as a point of reference that we can size it the way we want it. So click, make it. So here, so each part would have two, then this one is the back part. So all the letters or all the scoring would be from the inside. So let's try another letter. Let's try I. Again, we go back to the steps that we did, checking the size of this one is at 9 inches, so 9 inches, no need to do anything. Next would be flip it again. Attach, because that will fit in a 12 by 12 paper. So pick another letter, add the canvas. So same process. Cause yeah, I just have this letter for as a reference that I have exactly 9 inches for each letter. So that is just for reference. So next part, again, need to write, then score, for score, work, write, then score, then grouping, then touch, because they are already grouped, so I don't check them anymore because I'm sure. Then this letter, because I'm trying to spell out Aina, so and then I already did this part, so okay, just duplicate it. Then the last letter would be H. So again, same process of resizing it and double checking if it's the right size. So size 9, don't need to change it. So moving on. So again, we ungroup, then we select each part, attach. So it will have attached the score lines, the write lines, and the cut lines all together in one part. Group and save it. So yes, just email me if you have any questions, if you're having trouble on how to assemble this one or the file is being trouble on your part on uploading it in the design space, and or yeah, send me an email, message me on Etsy, and then I'll send you a file, one file for each letter, whatever letter you request, I'll send it to you via email. And yeah, you can try practicing that one before you purchase the whole thing. I know it's expensive, but it's a good investment. Me, basically, I sell it for locally in my city as $14 for a plain letter. And if there would be like any design that they wanted, like drawings or whatever, I start charging like $17 to like $45 each letter. So yeah, it's a good practice, or it's a good way to start with 3D letters if you're looking into 3D letters or 3D art. So it's a good way. So but yeah, thanks for watching the video. Bye.